Run it up.
MILLS together with Sandy Walsh collection. Let's see what we've got. My first ever collection. And not the last one, eh guys? Let's do everything. Ooh. Kelas. Luar biasa. Wow. Ah, my grandfather. It's nice. These are the signs of Surabaya, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Terima kasih, eh? Terima kasih. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So soon available for you guys. Nice teaser. Go get it. This is emotional jersey. This is class jersey for in the streets and everything, or when you come support us. And this is because it's hot, very hot in Jakarta. So if you want to work out, take new shorts. Terima kasih.
Run it up.
Wow. Woo! This is quality. I like the colors. Very light. This is new studs also, no? Ah, that looks good. Wow. You guys did even better than the last shoe, huh? I can see. Thank you for following me today at the MILLS headquarters. I had so much fun and I bought so much stuff. So make sure to get yours only at the MILLS store here in Jakarta. Sampai jumpa lagi.